Hello, I'm Dr. Gary from Johnson Compounding and Wellness, and I'd like to just provide a little information about some of the products you can use to help support your immune system. Now, realistically, we're coming out of cold and flu season, hopefully, but with all the viruses going around, the COVID virus, flu, cold, it's really important that we support our immune system. And taking some supportive products for the immune system, what they really do is they help strengthen the immune system so when a bacteria or a virus invades our body, the body's immune system can deal with it better. One of the problem we have with viruses is they enter our cells and start replicating. And there's a lot of natural products that are very, very effective to help minimize the virus's ability to enter the cells and start replicating. So to start at the beginning, what we really should be doing year-round, but especially during the cold and flu season and even the COVID epidemic, is the most important thing is wash your hands properly and wash them often. The second thing is keeping social distancing, and that's a two-way street. One, you want to keep 6, 8, 10 feet away from other people in case they are carrying a virus or a bacteria. So if they cough or sneeze or breathe, the viruses go out of the body on moisture particles coming from the mouth or the respiratory system, and then we breathe them in and they get into our body and can start replicating. So by keeping your distance, that helps protect you. Another thing we should always do is if you feel sick, you should stay away from everyone, not just because COVID's around, but with colds and flu also. If you go home and rest and have a good night's sleep, one, you're not going to infect your family or your co-workers, and you'll be back to work faster. On the other side, you want other people around you to really do the same thing, so they're not infecting you. If you feel sick, go home and get some sleep. A good night's sleep, very important. A healthy diet is very important. You want to stay away from the inflammatory foods, the white flour, sugar, fast foods, hydrogenated fats, processed foods. These all cause inflammation in the body, which then can decrease your immune system response. You want to eat as much organic food as you can, fruits, vegetables, the real food. Do some cooking. That way you know what you're eating, you're getting healthy food, and you're getting the maximum nutrition that you can out of each meal. And again, wash your hands. Another thing that's very important, and we don't really realize it, is stress downregulates our immune system. So if we're very stressed, it lowers our immune system. When we're very stressed, we usually get less sleep. That lowers our immune system, and all this makes it easier for a virus to invade and start replicating and get ahead of our immune system. So some products that can be very, very helpful to help support your immune system and keep you healthy are elderberry, and that really is okay to use even with COVID around. The original studies were questioning whether elderberry increased your chance of having what they're calling a cytokine storm. I'll talk about that in a few minutes. But the more recent studies, when they looked into this, find elderberry is fine. Probiotics are very important. Taking vitamin C, vitamin D3, medicinal mushrooms, very, very helpful. Some of our favorite cold, flu, and virus support products are Viricid. It contains zinc, C, A, L-lysine, pantothenic acid. These are all very, very helpful at keeping us healthy. Any of those by themselves can also be helpful. There are quite a few immune medicinal mushroom blends. The medicinal mushrooms have been used for thousands of years. Very, very good to support the immune system. Vitamin C is extremely important. A multi-strain probiotic, Green tea has a lot of ingredients in it that are supportive of the immune system, but you don't want to drink too much of it because it does have caffeine, which will keep you up at night, and that can interfere with sleep, which isn't good for your immune system. There's beta-glucan, which is a brand name product, Whole Immune. And there's also immunoglobulins, SBI Protect, very, very good at helping the body get the immune system up to speed. So the cytokine storm I referred to, a lot of people who contract COVID wind up with really severe respiratory problems. Not everybody. Some people have it and they don't even know they have it. But the people who get the severe respiratory problems, that's from one of the precipitating factors is a cytokine storm. So a cytokine storm is an excessive or uncontrolled release of pro-inflammatory cytokines. That means the body is over-responding. It's releasing inflammatory chemicals that cause the lung tissue to get inflamed and more mucus, and that makes it harder and harder to breathe. So there's been from some of the medical centers and some doctors who are working with COVID patients, they have some recommendations. One of them is vitamin D3, 5,000 units per day, and this is for supporting the immune system. Everyone shouldn't take that year round. You need to know what your vitamin D level is. But for immune system support, a lot of the medical recommendation is 5,000 a day. Vitamin C, they're using 1,000 milligrams 3 times a day, and beta-glucan or Whole Immune once a day. And these are recommendations from some of the hospitals in the medical community to help keep us healthy. They're recommending for people, if they have a mild case of COVID, they're not hospitalized, they're breathing fine, maybe with a little difficulty, adding some NaC. That can be very, very helpful for the lungs and to loosen things up. There's a product, PQQ and Coenzyme Q10. PQQ helps generate mitochondria. CoQ10 is needed for energy production in the mitochondria. And a lot of people that get sick or have COVID, their energy level, even down to the cells, is very, very low, and they're exhausted. So that can be very helpful. And a lot of the medical centers, they found that taking those can really help you recoup and be more comfortable. So these are the main things that are available. We have them in stock. Some of them come, the different manufacturers that we carry are in and out of stock, but feel free to call the store to find out which brands we have in. Right now, vitamin C, zinc, vitamin D, Viracid, Whole Immune, SBI Protect, we have plenty in stock. The medicinal mushrooms we have in stock. We have some mushroom teas and coffee, which is a very delicious way to get some support into your system. So feel free to give us a call, 781-893-3870, and we can take your order, help you choose your products. We're offering parking lot pickup. If you call in your order and give us a credit card, we'll have it all rung up. When you get to the store, just give a call and we'll bring it out to your car. We'll have gloves on and a mask. We also offer free shipping over $49, so you can shop online at shop.naturalcompounder.com and choose your order, and we'll be glad to ship that right out to you. So stay healthy, get a good night's sleep, eat well, support your immune system, and wash your hands. Have a good day.